Hello guys, welcome to the Learning Hub. My name is Ankit and welcome to this continuous tutorial. And if you haven't seen the first part, you can just go to the link I have provided in the description and go check it out. And in this tutorial, we'll see how to render it and apply materials on the objects we have created in the last tutorial. So let's go get started. So first of all, I'll just apply textures, and for that we just have to press M and first of all I'll apply material on the wall. Select the wall and apply it. Go to standard and go to V-Ray, click on V-Ray material and hit OK. I'll also name it wall, change its diffuse color to approximately something greenish. So some dark greenish type, and hit OK. Click on the reflect, and everything is reflective. If you don't know, in every material you just have to increase the reflection and change its glossiness. I'll make it 0.6 or 0.4 maybe. 0.5 is better, I think. Yeah. Now come to the floor and I'll apply V-Ray material and I'll name it as floor. Select the plan and apply it, and for this plan I'll be using the bitmap. I have one in my system. Go to bitmap, this PC, V-Ray materials and V-Ray materials, wood and architectural wood floor. I'll use it. Click OK. Just turn this on. I'll increase the tiling to 1.5 by 1.5. Again go back, and in the maps you have to select the bump map. I also have that one in my system. Change the tiling 1.5 by 1.5 and go back. Now double click on the material, so I'll just check it how it looks. Increase the bump and go to basic parameters, and you just have to increase the reflection. Okay. For good, you can just turn on the background, and here I'll make it 0.6, 0.55 maybe. Yeah, 0.55 is better. So now you can see we have the wall and floor. For the sofa, we will also using a bitmap. First V-Ray material, then on the checkbox, after the diffuse, select the bitmap, and here on the cloth you'll find a furniture leather. I'll be using that. No need of changing the tiling here. You can just again go to and set a bump map. For this I'll using bump only for 10 minutes. Okay. Now go to basic parameters and first turn on the background and increase the reflection a little bit and change the glossiness to 0.5. That's it. Increase the reflection a little bit. 0.4 before. Now we will be using we will create a metal. Here, click on standard, go to V-Ray material, change diffuse to black and decrease the reflection glossiness to 0.95. We will just increase the reflection. Okay. Now click on this lock button and change its IR to 10. Now go to BRDF section and change anisotropy to 0.5. Now you have the metal. You can just select these things and apply it to them. Here also we have to apply. Deselect this and apply. Okay, so now for the lamp we will use one more material. Go to V-Ray material and I'll just use a simple color for this. Apply it to this. Change the reflection and reflection glossiness will be 0.4. That's it. So actually we are done with the applying materials, and now we'll use the HDRI map. So just select any ball of material and press G. You'll get this material map browser and go down here. You'll find V-Ray HDRI. Double click on that and close this window. Click on these three dots and go back. I have HDRI images, so I'll be using one of them. I think this might be good. I'll just open it, change it to spherical and come back here, press 8. When you will press 8, environment and effect window will open. Just drag the material to here. Make sure that it's instanced and hit OK. Now go to render setup and go to V-Ray tab. Here in environment, turn on the reflection and reflection environment and again drop it here and instance it. Hit OK, close it. Okay. Now we have completed the material and environment setup. So if you go to render setup, now you just have to change canvas size. So I'll make it 1920 by 817 pixels, and now I'll lock this aspect ratio. Now I'll make it 500. So I'll close it and press Shift plus F so you can see what will be rendering. Now press Shift plus Q, so it will start rendering. So this will look like something this without lighting. So I'll just make sure that this saves the history. I'll make a new folder named history. Select folder, autosave and OK. So if I render it again, so it will be saved automatically. Now we have to create some lightning in the scene. So lightning we will create from the top, and go to create and hit on light button and go to V-Ray. Here we have a V-Ray light. I'll be using them, and just make a light of the size of sofa approximately. Take it up and go to modify, turn the target on. We will just change the lightning and move the target point. Keep the target on sofa and make sure that lightning is not above the sofa, not in front of the sofa, but in between them. I'll change it a little bit. Okay, now change the multiplier to 5, and once I'll render it, so I will use this as A and this is B. So you can see the difference between A and B. B looks more realistic. You can see, you can compare both of them and go back. Now I'll just create a IES light. And IES light we can create from the left view. Go near the lamp, go to create and draw a IES light from here to here. Go to modify and select the IES file. I have some of them. V-Ray, IES light. I'll use the 10th one. I'll open it. Now you just have to select this light and you have to move it here. Now as we have already rendered it, just open the last frame buffer and select the region and render it. Now you can see the difference. And I will just turn on the interactive rendering and go to here and change it little bit. You can see the difference you're getting. And you just have to change the best size you can. And just copy one more light here and I'll take it target and move it up a bit. You can just stop it and okay, now it seems good to me. And now we will jump to render setup. Click on render setup, and I'll just give you a simple tricks that you can just speed up your rendering and make it look good. Change it to bucket image sampler. Go to V-Ray in image sampler, change it to bucket, and minimum subdivisions make it 2, and here make it 0.001, and now you can just click on render, but before you go for the final render, just increase the size. So guys, this is the final render, and here you will see the result from where we were and where we are now. From this to this we changed. And thank you for watching this video, and please make sure that you subscribe my channel, and don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you again.